This is how I change the background of my computer. For this purpose, I have attached a 24-inch monitor on the Windows 10 notebook. The image I'm using is a departure from the factory installed or suggested images, as I am using a preferred picture. It is the same image I also placed as background of my other computers. Welcome to this channel, and let's tackle the simple process. Let me show this short procedure, as I really want to get this background changed already. On the lower left corner of the screen, I tap the Windows 10 icon, which is the Start menu. Then select the second icon for settings. It is the second icon next to the option to power down or restart the system. The Windows settings present several options, and I am selecting personalization. The next window opens with the main option and background setting. Windows 10 has 5 stock images I can select from, but the specific picture I need is not in the suggested option. I have saved my image on the desktop for ease of search. Here it is, and I'm telling Windows that's what I'm choosing as background picture. I previously edited the image to the dimension of 1600 by 1200 pixels. Selecting that image automatically adds it to the selection of available and suggested background images. I am restoring the previous desktop background image. This is an iconic picture of a lone fish farmer with a good load of harvest of nipa fronds or leaves to be made eventually as part of the finished product of nipa shingles, which will end up as final roofing of either his house or maybe sold somewhere else. Now I got to play on the selections available in attaching the image. This is how the desktop will look if I select Fill. The image occupied every inch of the screen without any gap. What if I select Fit? The whole image fits on the screen only with regards to height, and leaves a black band on the left and right side of the screen. With the stretch option, the image is made to fill the whole screen, but notice the fish farmer appeared as stooped or shorter and the boat flattened. Testing the option tile, Windows attempt to show the picture in tiles, at least 2 cropped images, somehow stretched, but the boatman appears on the left and right of the screen. Not good enough. If I check on the center option, the image is centered on the screen with black band on the left and right side. Not to my style. If I test the span, this would be the result. Nah, not good. So I am very partial to take the option of Fill. So this is it after all. My quest for a new desktop background and setting is finally done, and I'm happy with it. And next time I find my background boring already, I can always change it with another. After all, the only permanent but constant is change in this material world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.